Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add anchor links in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password here. Click on this website button below the website you want to add your anchor link to or in. Go to Pages. Locate the page you want to add your anchor link in. Let's work on this about page, for example. Click on this edit button from the top to go into the editing mode. I will add a text block first. Write your text here. Now select the text part you want to turn into an anchor link and click on this link icon. Fill in your link here just like that. You can select between opening your link in a new tab or not. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial and click on this save button on this corner. After that, exit this editing mode to go into the preview mode. Now this is your anchor link live. Click on it and it will send you to your link address. This is how to add an anchor link in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.